Guess what's the number one thing that parents say to me when they realize that I have a coding school for kids? They say, wow, I really wish that I learned coding when I was a kid. I wish that was around. Totally agree. I hear that so many times and I understand why. As parents and employees out there in the workforce, we have seen and we've lived through how much technology has changed our lives. I remember playing Pac-Man on my neighbor's Atari down the street when I was a kid growing up in Winnipeg. Then the Commodore 64 came out, and my mom, to her credit, was like, we should get a home computer. So, nowadays it's just like a mobile device and a couple of computers are pretty much the norm for a lot of families. But we have really seen since then how technology adoption has exploded. It's embedded in our lives, and it's also created new industries and destroyed industries. Hello, Blockbuster. So it might be too late for the parents, the OGs like you and me, to learn coding, but it's not too late for our kids. Consider giving them the best investment that they will need for a lifetime. Happy coding.